Hello, data enthusiast and data analyst. Do you want to work on data, things which are happening today? Then web scraping is the right tool for you. So today we will learn what is web scraping or what is the use of that web scraping and where we will use web scraping in the industry. So first of all, we will discuss what is web scraping, and so many of you know already what is web scraping, but I want to tell you exactly. That means those who don't know the web scraping and all. So web scraping is a method to extract the data from any website. In Python, to extract the website, there are so many libraries available, but some are paid one. But here we are extracting the data using Beautifulsoup. A Beautifulsoup is a library, so free library to use in our code to extract the data from any website. Okay, and you may ask what is the use of the web scraping. So by extracting the data from any website, so we can do sentiment analysis and data analysis. To do sentiment analysis, we have to extract the textual data. To do data analysis, uh, we have to extract numerical data or else some categorical data. So that is the use of web scraping. So there are so many methods, even not only Python. There are some other languages also have some web scraping. But here we are using web scraping using Python Beautiful Soup library. Okay. Today I want to extract the data from Britannica Encyclopedia website. So here, so this is the Britannica website, and I wanna extract some what is inflation indicators, CPI, PP, and PC. So this is my website. I wanna extract data from that website. So here now we will see how to do the web scraping using Python. So for that, first we will import the libraries which we are required: Beautiful Soup and requests. So importing libraries, requests, and Beautiful Soup. Okay. Okay. Now import requests, and from BS4 import Beautiful Soup. Okay, we imported both the libraries. But if any one of you not install this both libraries, you can install using this pip install request and pip install Beautiful Soup for by typing these commands in your Jupyter notebook. Okay, use these two commands to install these both libraries in our notebook. So now we will extract the data. To extract the data, we already have the website name. So go to the britannica.com and copy that link and paste it in the URL in our program URL. Okay, so this is the data. See what is the consumer price index price. So this entire data we have to extract now. So for that we will use that URL link, paste it in the, see, in this URL equal to https britannica.com money measure inflation CP and PC. So now we will use, see, data equal to request dot get URL. So then what it means, data equal request dot get means, so we are sending a request to get the data from particular URL, whatever the URL we have given in that, we that from that particular website we have to get the data. So here response we got response 200. See what is that mean? Response 200 means it is a success response. So there are so many responses. That means if we got response 404, so that means the page we are trying is not found. Okay, and if we got response 403 means it is a forbidden. That means the site is already existed but um, they are not allow us to extract the data from that. But here we will try once. If we give wrong data, how it will show. See here. See here we got response 404. That means the site which we gave here, the site link is not available. Okay, so that is, and response 500 also is there. Response 500 means, so we they accept the request, but in our cookies permissions we didn't give the permissions clearly, so we have to check. So these are and some response also there, the response 303, 302, 301. So we will look later about that. Here we got success message response 200. That means, so we will go ahead for the parsing. That means we will go ahead for the scraping the data from that what we have given the link of that website. So now we will go for extract the data from that particular website. So this is the indication of response message, and you can also read about what are the other response like 404 and 403, 500 and 301, 302, 303. So these are the different types of messages when you entering the website, when you are getting the when you are trying to get the website address. Such type of errors we will see. So now we have to extract the data. For that we have to initialize the beautiful soup library. We already imported beautiful soup library, but now we are initializing the beautiful soup library. Okay, so now I am initializing the beautiful soup library. Soup equal to beautiful soup. Just we have to observe clearly, B is a capital and S is a capital. Okay, beautiful soup data dot text. Text means, so we have to extract the text from the data. So that text is that website contains HTML pages, right? So we have to see HTML pages. So now we want to extract that. What is the title? The inflation inflation indicator CPI, PP and PCI. See, it is given in H1 tag. See here, H1 tag. So if we just give data, it will print all the tags and all. So for that, first of all, if we want to scrape the data, we should have aware of some HTML tags. So it is not mandatory to know HTML, but if you have aware about some tags like H2, what is H2 means? Second heading. See here, class font, and some HTML have some paragraph tags. See, H1 tag. See, H1 tag means that is type of heading 1, and paragraph tag means that is indicates paragraph. See, so whenever you are moving on the cursor on particular paragraph or heading, it will highlight the text here. See, OL means ordered list, but it is not present in this website, the particular HTML page. And TD means table data. Even table data tag also not available. That means TD means it is table data. We don't have any table in this particular data, so it is not showing anything. So this is the reason we have to know what is basically HTML. We no need to learn everything, just we should know what are the different types of text. Here we will extract the data from H1. So this is the H1, a tray of inflation indicator CPI, and PC. We will extract that. So for that we will copy the class. Okay, see here, now write H1 equal to soup dot find H1 comma, we have to give syntax correctly. Both class, copy once again. Okay, so MB5. So for every tag class specified some more information, very clear information. See, when I enter that class there, it is showing output is the h1 class and h1. So it's showing including h1 tags also. So but what I meant, I don't want to see that tags. For that, type text. See, now I got exact text in that, a tray of inflation indicator, CPI, PPNPC. See, exact text I got, exact name, h1 tag name I got there. See, now I want to extract this paragraphs also. See, that indicating that paragraphs where it is existing that paragraph tags. See, so but these paragraphs are included in the div container. See, the div class. So developers will develop the code to according to their understanding. That means if they see the code, they have to understand clearly. So that is the reason they write the code in some containers, like to understand clearly what is that container. This contains only that paragraph, the container containing that about that button, that container cutting only that formatting, like. So now I want to read that content in the div container. So for that, div is equals soup find. So whatever the tag we are mentioned, so we have to type here. So div. So now see class. So we have to give the div class name. So class contains more precise information for the front series. So typed. See, now output is showing all the content including div tags and backslashes, paragraph slashes, everything it's showing in output. But our requirement is to get the exact text. So earlier what we did, h1 dot text. Here also I'm mentioning div dot text. Yeah, see, here we got. See here it is not mentioning any tags and all, but it's showing everything, images, text, everything. But I don't want to do that. So for that, I wanna read only paragraph text. So that is the reason here I will mention paragraph only. See, there are many ways to. So I want only that content. So I don't want open full size image keeping, and I don't want all those things. I want only content in the paragraphs. So for that, see, write the code for p means, else we can give p for paragraph, p in the div. See, yeah, I need the content within that paragraph text. So that is the reason I mention here paragraph tag. Paragraph p means paragraph tag. So print. Yes, I got here. So find div dot find. I got first paragraph. See, and there is another method is also sir. Another method. If you give, see here, yeah, I got first paragraph. So but I want all the content, all the data from that, all the paragraph. So now I will modify that my code. So find all. Yeah, see, now find all, when I gave that find all means it will print the total data. Only if you give find means it will give first paragraph data. See, if I give find all, it is printing uh, paragraph tags also. But I don't want to do that. So for that, I will go for p dot text. So now paragraph tags are disappeared. So this is a way of extracting exact data. So now we got exact data from that content, that given HTML page. See here. So here our last word in that paragraph is causes and bugs. See here also we got the bug and first paragraph. So causes. See here. So here the last word is PC price index. Here also we got PC price index. Yeah, same content we got, and we have to verify until last paragraph we got or not. See here, this title we didn't get. See, so that is why we have to now extract this title also. See, it is mentioned in H2 tag. See here. So for that we have to write code for H2 to extract the data from H2 tag also. So copy that class name. So for that we can't give that H2 tag in that for loop. For that we have to take one tags list. In that list I will give H2 and paragraph tags. Then my for loop will iterate through. So now here we have to give tags. Okay. Now my for loop will iterate through all the tags. So wherever H2 tag appear and wherever paragraph tags appear, it will print. So now here tag.text. I wanna print H2 wherever it is in the HTML page. That is the reason. Yeah, see here now we got H2 also. So where is that? So what is the consumer price index? CP, what is the consumer price index? See here we got what is the consumer price index. So that is the H2 tag we got here. Key points. That key points also mentioned in H2 tag. I think that's why we got here. So and here what can the CPI tell me about the economy? No. So that is in strong. That is in paragraph only. So it's not H2. We'll see. Yeah, this is in H2. So we will check whether we got it or not. What can the PPI tell me about the economy? That is not. So what is the producer price index PPI? Yeah, that is. And this also we can check. So until uncertainty is the last letter we got until uncertainty. So we got total data. So totally we successfully scraped the data from the HTML page. So now what we wanna do, we have to save this text in some text file for our future analysis. If you wanna do sentimental analysis, so we can save that this data while by using file open method write mode. So here I am writing file open method. So this is my file path. See here with open. So we have to give file path clearly, and syntax also we need to write clearly. See, I want store it in inflation.txt. So in the double quote. Okay, this is write mode. See write mode, and we have to give encoding. Otherwise, our text somewhere sometimes it won't visible properly. That sometimes it won't appear clean manner. That is a UTF-8 we have to use always. That is a good practice to use encoding UTF-8. So my requirement is to total this data I have to save in that inflation.txt. So for that I wanna write write the in write file method. See here I got inflation.txt but 0 KB because still yeah, there is no content. Uh, because yeah, here I didn't mention as write file. Okay, so we have to keep it as alias open with open that open total open file we have to mention as alias. So this as write file, that is the correct syntax. Okay, all text. Oh no, code is correct. Print tag.text. Now for that we have to write in that write file. Okay, write file dot write. dot right, tag that text. Yeah, now we will see the output. Yeah, see, now our file was saved. So now I wanna read the same text file with read mode. So it open the same file path, but here now it is read mode. Okay, so we are checking that our write file correctly content, whether total content it has or not. So by read mode we can see total data, we can verify. So read file, okay, just put R because it is read mode. Okay. Okay, code is correct. Now read file dot read. Now I want to give it this variable as a information. Information. So okay, in enough. Okay, it's enough. Now we can print print enough. Enough is our variable. Okay, so we have seen now the data output uncertainty is the last word. Now we got the total data from our HTML page. So now we have fully scrapped the successfully the data from the website which we want. So this is the web scraping using Beautiful Soup in the Python. Okay, that's all.